Hello everyone, welcome to my another new video. Hope you are all well and healthy. So today I like to talk about how to change the background color of Asana. So actually a background color not only improve the beauty of the background but also boost your confidence. And it is very easy to manipulate. You need just to follow some steps to solve this problem. So firstly, what you have to do, you just have to go the Asana dashboard and click the home option. After that, you'll see a customize option just top of the right. Look, my background color is white because it suits my personality. So whatever the color you like, you just select on that. So next, you have to just click the customize option, and you'll see a lot of background color like yellow and the violet and whatever you like. You just click on the option and choose your background color. So that's it. Thanks to join with me.